Hi everyone, my name is Vikas Raut. Welcome to my channel Digital Prime. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the one of the major and basic problem that we always used to face at the initial stage whenever we log in into the SAP system if we are a beginner. So right now I have already logged in into my SAP system. Okay. So basically what exactly the annoying thing right now most of us we noticed when we are at beginning stage of SAP learning is like when you go to any of these options menu and sub menu, it always gives an some sound, clickable sound. So that's something completely irritating and it's annoying. So how to get rid of those all sound, the noise? Basically what we have to do is we need to go to in settings. As I am using a Mac, so this option is appearing over here itself, SAP GUI, and in settings. If you are using Windows, definitely you will find out the customizing option over here itself, right beside this question mark icon over here itself. So right now we'll click on settings, and under the design option, you can see sound settings, right? Click on the sound settings. You can see that audio feedback, activate audio signal is checked right now. So we gonna to uncheck that and just click on apply and just close this. Definitely, if you notice it out, this sound is gone right now. So this is the way you can handle this process and you can get rid of this annoying sound. So thank you so much for your time.